Students, all of you, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the economics class, intermediate second year. The topic name is absolute poverty. Absolute poverty. So poverty means, first of all, poverty can be divided into two types: absolute poverty and relative poverty. Here, the absolute poverty definition equal to the poverty definition. It means poverty and absolute poverty, both definitions are same. What is poverty? Poverty means the people who are not getting minimum needs like food, shelter, clothes, etc. The people unable to not getting the basic necessities like food, shelter, clothes, etc. That people are living in poverty situation. In India, 20%, 19.8%, which means round figure, 20% of the people are living in still poverty, according to 2011 census. So, this poverty can be divided into two types: absolute poverty, relative poverty. Come to the absolute poverty, the minimum physical quantities are like cereals, pulses, milk, butter and rice, etc. These prices are converted into monetary terms. This rice, pulses, cereals, milk, butter, etc. These prices are converted into monetary terms. The people whose income or expenditure below the figure are called absolute poverty. For example, as per ICMR, Indian Council Medical Research, as per ICMR, 2,400 calories per capita for the rural area and 2,100 per capita for the urban area on daily basis. It means in rural area 2,400 calories per capita can expend the rural people daily basis. ఒక రోజులో రూరల్ ఏరియాస్లో పీపుల్ ఎవరైతే నివసిస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళు 2,400 క్యాలరీస్ వాళ్ళు ఆ యొక్క పర్ క్యాపిటా ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. ఆ క్యాలరీస్ వచ్చే అంత పర్ క్యాపిటా వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. అర్బన్ ఏరియాలో 2,100 క్యాలరీస్ పర్ క్యాపిటా వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేయాలి ఆన్ డైలీ బేసిస్. హూ ఆర్ నాట్ అనేబుల్ టు ఎక్స్పెండ్ ద calories 2,400 in rural area and 2,100 in urban area, which means unable to get that calories. They are living in poverty, absolute poverty. So here this is absolute poverty. And second one, relative poverty. This relative poverty means relative poverty is not actually the poverty absolute. Relative poverty is the people having the rice, food, clothes, shelter and the minimum facilities are there, that people. But the people can compare to the rich people who having the luxuries goods, having building multiple cars and etc. Costly furniture, luxury life of people వాళ్ళతో వీళ్ళు కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రిలేటివ్ పావర్టీ డివైడెడ్ టూ టైప్స్: అప్పర్ మిడిల్ క్లాస్ అండ్ లోవర్ మిడిల్ క్లాస్. దిస్ పీపుల్ under the part of relative poverty. This upper middle class people having all facilities, minimum facilities, and they are compared to the above class of their రిచ్ పీపుల్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళతో కంపేర్ చేసుకొని దే అప్పర్ మిడిల్ క్లాస్ పీపుల్ దే ఫీల్ దట్ దే ఆర్ స్టిల్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ పావర్టీ, బట్ దే హ్యావింగ్ ఆల్ మినిమమ్ నీడ్స్. హియర్ కంపారిజన్ టు అదర్స్. And lower middle class people compared to the upper middle class people, they feel that they are still living in poverty. But absolute poverty is the people who are not having the basic needs, and relative poverty means having the basic necessity but they are comparing to the rich, and they feel that still they are living in poverty. In India, almost 55% relative poverty people are there, which means middle class people. 55% these middle class people are there. So rest of people are rich in our country. Rest of people means 20% absolute poverty, 55% relative poverty, and rest of 25% people are living in rich in our country. So this is the poverty, and two types of poverty: absolute poverty and relative poverty. Thank you.